Good day, everyone. Good day, sir. We are my cupcake team. Today, we are going to present our system, which is PRS
Wala may kamera.
system with inventory. And let let us introduce ourselves. My name is Cheryl Isantisa, and
Hi, I'm from Casio Bizamayla. I'm the reporter of this group. And first of all, we need to log in the user. Hi, I'm from Casio Bizamayla. I'm the I am the reporter of this group. First of all, we're gonna log in our user. Let's wait. After that, we go to inventory. We need to add product. Una ka. So you can see the product name, size, and stock. So we need to put product name like chocolate cake, size small, like stock of cake like 20. After that, we put ingredients of the cake. So let's try eggs and the stock of eggs like 20. After that, we need to save the product. But let's add ingredients. So we can add also ingredients like milk, like 20 cups or any. So we need to save the product so we can. So you can see the product are added. So we need to go to orders. So after orders, we need to add order. So we need to like what we put late earlier, but we need to put our name first. So what we add earlier is chocolate cake. So we need to order chocolate cake and size quantity like one, two, two. So we can small. So go to add to cart. So you can see the remove total price, unit price, quantity, size, and item. So after that, we need to save order. So after that, we need to mark as complete and go to sales. So you can see we are already ordered. So we need to go to sales report like daily and print report. So let's wait. So you can see the daily sales are added. So we need to go to inventory. So as you see, you can see that chocolate cake small stock 18 pieces. So the stock we add earlier is 22. So the stock of eggs 20 I got minus, and we can see the sold to and the stock are minus it. So we need to inventory report. So let's wait in inventory report. As you can see, the inventory report we have also. Then we are done. We need go to log out. So that's all. Thank you. Thank you.